Up next on Sci-Fi Fantasy, MetalHead Minis. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiFantasy.com and welcome to a YouTube/Modeler'sTube video. So in the intro I was talking about MetalHead Minis, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Sorry if I'm a little tired, it was a long day at work. Got home, I was checking out Facebook, and I saw my friend Lynn posted up about her YouTube channel, MetalHead Minis, and that she's at 800 subscribers. I think it's a little more than 800 now, and she's shooting for 1,000, and then she's going to have a giveaway. If you haven't checked out Lynn's channel yet, I'm going to put a link in the description below. It's MetalHead Minis. It's an awesome channel. She's got a whole bunch of stuff on there, from being at shows to reviews and unboxings and tutorials and all sorts of stuff. It's a fun channel with a lot of great videos on there. And if you haven't yet too, go check out her website, MetalHeadMinis.com. She has a whole bunch of galleries on there. You can see all the stuff that she's painted up. It's really excellent work. She's an awesome artist. And also on her site, she'll have links to all of her social media accounts. This way you can go check all that stuff out too. So if you haven't yet, please go check out MetalHead Minis on YouTube. Make sure you hit the little subscribe button and the notification icon. This way every time she posts up a video, you can get a notification about it and go check it out. She's a very cool person and an awesome artist. And if you haven't yet over here too, hit the little subscribe button and the little notification icon. And if you haven't yet also, come over to Model Builder International, but that's our other site. Come over to Modeler'sTube.com and check out our hosting site over there. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to tell you about Lynn and her site plus her YouTube channel, MetalHead Minis. Go check it out, subscribe, and get her up to 1,000. Thanks a lot everybody for stopping by and checking out the video. I hope you all have a great night. Take care and bye-bye.